If you look at the Garrett Wade website or in our catalog, one thing that becomes apparent really quickly is that we have a lot of knives. Most of them are working knives oriented around some sort of task. However, there's this special category that I really love, and that is pretty knives that are meant to look good and be really fun to carry. So here's one of the best knives in that group. It is the folding Damascus blade knife. Of course, Damascus blade is that really cool feature where it's different types of steel folded over and over to create this beautiful mottled or perhaps striated look on the blade. The handle is also really nicely made. It's got some art motif in each end of the bolster and also across the center near the spine. The spine has this really cool button, and that's the button for unlocking the blade. As you'll notice, once I open the blade, it really locks in the open position. And to unlock it, you press this little button, or that's the same thing that locks it in. So it makes a quick and easy folding knife. It's beautiful to look at, and it comes with this really well-made, hand-stitched leather sheath, and on the back of it is a little loop so you can wear it on your belt. So if you're looking for a knife that works really well but also looks awesome, this is the way to go. And of course, it makes a really nice gift too.